Hi guys, in today's video we're going to be taking a look at Genestealer Cult's Atalan Jackals. But first of all I want to say a huge thank you to the guys over at Goblin Gaming who sent me the box set out for review. If you check the description box down below you'll find a direct link to their web store, and every time you purchase something from the web store it greatly helps my YouTube channel, so please use the link in the description box below. Okay, let's take a look at the box first of all. So taking a look at the box, we can see we have 4 awesome Jackals, and then we have that really cool quad there. And as we take a look around at the back of the box, we've got some colour variants there. We've got one using like a khaki green colour, and we've got the yellow. And then as we look towards the top of the box, we've got some really cool zoomed in detail shots of the bikes and the quad. Now I think this box set is phenomenal value for money. On Goblin Gaming's website it's just £26 for 4 bikes and a quad. I think Games Workshop have done a fantastic job with this box set, which shows you that some of their HQ models seem a little bit overpriced. For example, the Jackal Alphas, which is just one bike model, costs I believe about £18 on Goblin Gaming, just trying to remember off the top of my head, and you spend you know, £8 more and you get 3 more bikes and a quad. So you know, it just shows you how much of a good price this box set is. Now we'll just unbox the box set. So first of all we've got our bases. We've got our bike bases, and we've got the quad base, and we've got our instruction booklet, which is going to be, of course, like all new kits from Games Workshop, 3D rendered, which makes building the bikes nice and straightforward. Really nice there. Looking at the sprues, we can see we've got the chassis of the quad there. We've got some wheels for the bikes. We've got the quad wheels there. Some front forks for the bikes, I believe. Really nice stuff. And then we can see we have more of the bike chassis there. Some more wheels. Some legs. Some arms. Really nice stuff. What I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to build all the Jackals and the quad off camera, and we'll come back and we'll have a look at them all built. Okay guys, so back again, and as you can see the Jackals and the quad bike look absolutely fantastic. And as I mentioned earlier on in the video, I think this is fantastic value, especially if you're just into painting and modelling. This is going to take quite a while to get through painting. As regards to modelling, as with all the new GW kits, guys, they're so simple to put together. Really enjoyed working on these, and I can't wait to paint them. So thank you for watching this video, guys. Don't forget to check the description box down below for links to Goblin Gaming's web store, and I'll catch you in the next video.